Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. Let's begin. And we can start with simply checking if our screen rotation is enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center and expanding it once again. So now we can see the names of our buttons here. And as you can see, we do not have screen rotation, we only can see the ability to lock stuff into portrait mode. Currently we have enabled this option, but if we disable it, we will see that it is stuck in the portrait mode. So we can check that. I will do that in the, for example, calculator application. As you can see, we are now in the portrait mode and I cannot get into landscape mode. There is no way for me to do that. But if I would go into our control center and enable screen rotation, we will see that now I do have the ability to rotate my screen however I want. Of course it is automatic, but it is working. If for some reason it's still not working for you, I would simply advise you to reboot your device. You can easily do that, but we can simply, and more easy, just press the power icon in the control center and then hit restart twice. I know that this may sound kind of silly, but it does make sense, because whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting your software but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is responsible for detecting and basically changing your screen rotation. And lastly, there is one important thing that needs to be mentioned, and it's the fact that not every application supports both modes. It's probably the best example in games, since many games are locked into certain modes. For example, I don't know, Clash Royale is locked into portrait mode, which is something you can see right now. But other games like Call of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact or all of that are locked into portrait mode and cannot be played in the portrait mode. Sorry, what did I say? They are locked in landscape mode and they cannot be played in the portrait mode, yeah. Sorry for that. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found this useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.